How to use preset in Alight Motion. So what you're gonna have to do is simply create a project, and then I'm gonna add a photo. So let's add this one here. Now after you add your images, your videos, you're gonna have to simply tap on presets, and as you can see here, you can select the preset. And how do you get this preset? So you're gonna have to go back, and you're gonna have to close the project. So let's close the project, then simply go to templates, and here you can find different presets that you can use. So simply tap on any of these, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on import, and then you're gonna have to wait until this loads up and select your project, and you can simply add them as I showed you earlier. And basically that's all you have to do in order to use presets in Alight Motion. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.